Hey guys, I'm playing Sky Wars. I think I'm on rush mid instead of fight people. Ah, so close. I think I should use my night kit now. Actually, never mind. I'm going back to Emerald. I just need 6 more heads to get randomizer. The game did what I wanted. It's cursed. Yes. I'm rushing no matter what. Uh-oh. Nope. I ain't doing that. Oh! Oh my god, it did it again. This is so good. Now everyone's gonna start tryharding like me. Gapple, play it safe, Oh my god, that was so close. That lag. Oh, please, another corrupted one. Please, another corrupted one. Please. Cause this is the perfect map for corrupted. My work ran out. Oh, shoot. Bruh. Not Pog. Okay, I think Usher was that just go there. Boom, as I never die. I think that's the game plan. Bro, that guy just tried to do something like that guy just tried to do that with only one. Are you dumb? This guy's going IQ. This guy just never played. Okay, let's go to Ah, that was so close. That guy probably died to my fire, I think. I feel like I'm getting better. I'm gonna practice PvP so much after this. I'm so good at bowling. This game sucks, bro. Just kidding. I'm gonna rush mid, get one of the chests, rush in, go again, and then go kill everyone there. The game plan that will make me win for sure. And it's cursed. Let's go. Hog. No. Dang it. He's going mid. I'm gonna play it safe. Oh. All the tryhards. Oh, this map is good? I didn't know that. That glitch. What even happened? That's a big disadvantage. I had a shorter time to loot. Oh, I love this map. I love this map. Where is it? Where's my baseball kit? Baseball kit is so OP for this. Cause I just like knocking people off. Bro, lag! Where is it? Baseball kit, yes. Bro, I'm getting like 5 FPS. Bro. Oh, yeah. Get juked. Get good. Get bad like me, actually. Oh, no. Not Shrek. I don't want to be Shrek. Oh, this is an amazing kit for baseball. I just need to collect some blocks. Oh, this guy's probably coming for me. Okay, I like to cut G. Wait, did that guy just call me a hacker? Or is it someone else? Oh, no. This guy's good. Oh, shoot. Ah, dang it. I think I should play baseball kit. Oh, this map is pretty tiny. I think it's good for baseball kit, especially over there. Oh no. My only chance of winning this. Oh no, skeleton. Maybe I should just hide behind here. No, please, man, no, please. Did I get the skeleton? Oh, I forgot. It comes back when it falls into the void. Oh yes. I really hope it's cursed. It's because I can go there and one hit them. Too bad it's not cursed. I'm stealing your dirt, bro. Watch out. I'm stealing your dirt. Oh! How did I miss? I'm gonna go check back this video and see if I missed. I think after this match I'm going. And then I'm gonna train like a tryhard. I'm gonna be the biggest tryhard of all. Let's go. I'm so happy. Please give me, let me get. Yes! I'm a pro. I'm the definition of a pro. Uh-oh. Well,